Good morning.
Good morning. We woke up around 8 o'clock and we are heading to see a waterfall now.
Exactly, and we got a little late actually. We were hoping to come earlier, but we needed to sleep because we were hiking, we were swimming and all that. So.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see how the waterfall is. And this is the road leading up to it. Here is the Grse Waterfall. You have to walk maybe about 200 meters from the road. We parked the car close to that bend. Then we came here and about here we are going inside. We'll see whether we can find it.
And guys, there's no board or anything to show that this is a waterfall. We follow the Google Maps.
Exactly, yeah. This is our climb up. When we finished enjoying the Grse waterfall, guys, then we headed to Grse Waterfall. Then from there we took a boat to Ile Aux Cerfs, but on the way we went on a wrong path. Watch this. Hi, good morning. How are you, Bonjour?
Yes.
Is there a way for us to get to
Ile Aux Cerfs?
No, it is not here. You turn back on the road. We have to some to direction from True Degrees.
True. Sorry.
How do you write?
Okay. Direction from 2 degrees.
True. D.
AUX.
Yes.
Is this
2
correct?
degrees.
The first one.
This is the one?
Yes, this.
This is the one.
This. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
This, yes.
From there we have to take it,
Yes.
yeah?
You run side.
Yeah, right
Your
side.
run side on the road we have to
Continue for
something.
800
Oh,
meters.
thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
So guys, we took the wrong way, it seems, because this is leading to Anahita Hotel. It's a resort actually. So we are turning back to go to this place. See you there. We are in Palmar Beach now. This is the entrance. You can find a lot of parts like this. You can drive your car in. It's a beautiful beach with white sand. And if you find a nice place, you can do barbecues. And if you can find a barbecue machine or a grill, let's go see the beach.
if you come with a car, guys, or bike, you have to take that road. It's so beautiful.
You can see the board.
Yeah,
It
you
says
can
welcome
see
to Palma.
welcome to Palma Beach. That's where you have to take the car inside. So from here, guys, we head to Trau Daus in order for us to get the boat to go to Ile Aux Cerfs. So guys, we drove from Palma Beach to Trau Daus in order for us to catch the boat to Ile Aux Cerfs. Book our tour from here. Actually, we didn't pre-book it. We got here and then we book it.
Hey guys, so we are at Trau Daus public beach. We're going to take a ferry from here to Trau Cerfs, and we're going to spend a little time there. And we paid
about 1,400, including the barbecue and beer.
the barbecue and the ride from here, the ferry ride. So we're waiting for the ferry ride here now. Yeah, we will wait here till the ride starts.
Till then, enjoy this blue beach. This is our captain. So we are heading to Ile Aux Cerfs. Ile Aux Cerfs. This is the
Margin,
okay. Behind this,
Ile Aux Cerfs.
the
Surf, it's a French name,
okay.
in the beer.
Deer Island. So I hope you guys heard it.
We're so excited. It's our first time doing parasailing here. Let's go see how it goes. So this is our friend who met, who's helping us with the parasailing. He got something to tell you.
Yeah.
Only for the parasailing is 1,000 for one people and 1,600 for two. You get a 60% price, so you pay only 1,000, you go for two.
Yeah.
So you have to
Because
be quiet,
Captain
quiet.
gave us a discount. Thank you. Guys, look at the colors. The one in the most up, yeah? Oh, okay.
With the blue shirt guy there.
Ah, yes, yes. Okay.
Let's go.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thanks.
So we are going to meet that guy in blue shirt like we were up. So we go there, he's waving at us.
Yeah. To go to the parasailing platform.
Guys, there's a shuttle from the beach to the platform. You can see the platform there. That's where we're going to start the parasailing activity. So we are heading there. This is the shuttle and this is our captain of the shuttle. We are in the platform now, waiting to be taken off by the parasail. And there's a queue for it. Maybe in a few we will get ready with our life jacket and the harness.
This is the platform, guys, as you can see. It's a more box platform. And there is a parasail already. That's how it's done. Right there, people. We have landed.
Now we are going back to the port or the jetty.
Yeah.
And from there we'll get the boat at 1:30 island where they serve lunch.
You can say.
These are the souvenir shops I told you about before. Guys, we booked our activities, the parasailing and the boat trip from there. But here, if you come to the island, you can book or reserve, get tickets for the activities from here as well. So this is the information and reservation center. Guys, we are here at the jetty waiting for our next ferry.
We got onto the boat again. At 1:30 sharp we were there, but if you miss the boat, it's going to take some time for you to get the next one. So you better come in time, okay?
We are heading to the island where we serve lunch.
Exactly. Barbecue and beer. See you there.
We are at the other island we told you about before. It's the island that serves lunch. So let's go and see how it is. What do you have for lunch today?
Salad, rice, chicken, sausage and fish.
Perfect, thank you. And I've got rum with Coke. And Hashan is gonna have a beer. Ooh. Merci. Thank you. Hey guys.
Hey guys. We wanted to do a food review as well, but unfortunately,
we were so hungry.
Exactly, we were so hungry.
We started digging in
Yeah,
as soon as
exactly.
we got the food.
You can catch the last piece here.
So basically we got around 100 grams of rice, yellow rice, a piece of drumstick, one sausage, and a cabbage and carrot salad.
Yeah.
And also like a starter, we got garlic bread.
Yeah.
What
Only
is
one
left?
is left now, but you can ask for more and they will give it
Yeah,
to you.
we did.
And then they give you beer, and this is rum. She's taking rum and coke.
I think this I
And,
showed you,
yeah.
but the food I forgot.
For the money we paid, it's really good. I think.
If
Yeah.
you are eating outside, we have to spend around 1,000 dirhams for one meal.
Oh yeah.
I mean, for both of us. But here, for 1,500, we got the boat ride to Ile Aux Cerfs, and then from there to here, and the food, it's all in, and the beverages, all included.
I'm sorry you did not see the whole thing, but we will capture the photo here. Sure.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Cheers! Well, I like it. It's like
Nice. It's like full cocktail.
it's amazing.
The second. This is vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay.
Vanilla.
So the previous one, guys, the previous one was made of coconut, and this they say is vanilla. Let's try. Cheers.
Allez, vamos quelque chose, vamos quelque chose. Allez, rapidement. Bon aussi.
It's strong.
Ah, it's strong.
You will fall down.
In this, I have juice. Also, okay.
Okay.
And alcohol.
Okay.
Okay.
What is this? What is this?
Homemade rum.
No. This, I mean, this flavor.
This is good for your best friend.
Ah.
To speak more, close the mouth.
This is sugar
This is
cane.
sim. Do you know sim? Canela.
Canela. It's
Cinnamon.
cinnamon. Ah.
Wow, cinnamon. It's like I just brushed my teeth.
Guys, this is nice. If you come here, you should try it. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
In Saudi, look.
Exist.
I will fall
For
down.
your friend to speak more.
My friend is already speaking loud.
And for this, when I say you 1, 2, 3, you drink one shot.
And this is made of
This is for your friend. This is good for mother-in-law.
mother.
Okay? You okay?
Ammi, this is for you.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, it's spicy.
Hopefully we will not fall
I
down.
don't think I can walk straight. The last one was really spicy.
Yeah, exactly. But the flavors are nice. They're like homemade brews. It's really nice.
Hiccups because of the
If
spicy.
you come here, you gotta try it. If they didn't tell you, you go to the kitchen and you just ask them and they will give it to you. So we had our meal, we finished our drinks and then we finished our shots. Now we are going heading that way. We're trying to get a good drone shot. Let's see how it is there.
Guys, in case if you missed, after lunch they offered us homemade rum in shots. Actually it was part of the package, so we got the chance to try out the rum. It was really amazing. They had different flavors like cinnamon, sugar cane, and the last one I have no idea what it was made of, but it was spicy and they said it's for the mother-in-law.